Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to talk about nuclear power in terms of planetary defense. Have you guys ever wondered that nuclear power is a threat or a protection? Well, some people argue that, oh no, we should use nuclear energy in order to deflect the asteroid away. And it's only for peaceful purpose, saving billions of habitat on this planet, which doesn't violate the rule. Well, on the other side said, no, if we use nuclear power, we might cause the release of radiation due to an accident, and it is really hard to clean up everything in one, also including the pieces of destroyed asteroid may fall down back to Earth, causing more harm to other places than a single place. Now, we know both perspectives on each side, and we must dive into the detail about expert explanations. In history, we have launched thousands of nuclear weapons, tested many of them, but we haven't done many yet in space. During the Cold War in 1950s, the Soviet Union developed a small reactor that fueled the rocket using 45 kilograms of highly enriched uranium, and the machine was called Cosmo 954. In which was an accident that fell down and crashed in the territory of Canada on January 24th. Nuclear bombs also can cause radiation to the environment and affect health conditions. For example, in Chernobyl, Ukraine, many new researchers found that animals surrounding the area were changing their skin color and fur because of the development affected by radiation across the area. The habitat living in the area will have an increased temperature than any other and will affect their DNA and relay negative effect of ionizing radiation on cellular and physiological homeostasis. This related research contributes to the argument of causing climate change and justify that nuclear power is a threat to all life due to radiation affection. In the article Planetary Defense, the Nuclear Option Against Asteroid by Armed Control Association added, of course, the Security Council could adopt such a resolution only pursuant to unanimity or abstention among its five veto-wielding permanent members, including China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. If those powers cannot see eye to eye regarding this peril, then the planet truly would be jeopardized. The quotes are just a strong idea that we can see most of the powerful countries see themselves as the realists. Liberalism mostly works for smaller countries, but they don't have much nuclear resource and technology. In order to make it happen, countries with a strong technology must bond and face together the challenges for humanity to move forward. The opposition side argued that larger asteroids can impact millions of people, which, for example, if it impacts a small country, the whole population may vanish in a second. Using nuclear power to save humanity is a peace solution, not a violence against habitats and environment. In the article Harvey Sinet, Ensuring Safety on Earth from Nuclear Sources in Space, suggests most recently, we have used nuclear power to fuel our new innovation of transportation on other planets such as probes, landers, and rovers on the mission to Mars. Using accurate math and science, we can reach the peak of human golden age of space exploration. We are able to travel and discover new objects faster than before. So nuclear power can also boost evolution and advance into more education about other planets and resources. In conclusion, the two views of nuclear power are considered an urgent decision from the public and experts since unexpected days could happen at any time. We all have to come up with different accurate solutions as possible being priority and sustainability. It matters to each one of us since the asteroid is humongous and can take away many lives like the dinosaur era. I have a feeling that we all must consider that nuclear power can be a threat if we fail to underestimate projects including uranium, but it can be very useful if we take our time to put all of our best effort into making it functioning correctly. I want the world to make more theories and solution for this problem, and I believe that we people with different experiences can think outside the box and invent new incredible answers to the question. Now you consider creating or coming up with new ideas that you think could deflect or destroy asteroid from pouring onto Earth.